morning, everybody. We are taking a day trip to Alabama. We're going to go check out this amusement park called OWA. So Jesse's driving. We're back in the Jeep.
Hi.
Just driving along I-10. Buc-ee's, y'all. This is the exit we have to take to get to the amusement park.
Turn right.
Same one as
Then
Buc-ee's.
continue onto Baldwin Beach Express.
Looks like it's as busy as ever.
She said turn right.
Continue onto Baldwin Beach Express.
Wow. We made it.
Okay, we made it to OWA, folks. Pretty neat looking place. Very clean. Okay, we just got off the Crazy Mouse, which is a ride kind of like Primeval World in Animal Kingdom. And we did the Haunted Mansion, which is like a little shooter attraction, kind of like Men in Black Alien Attack or Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. But now we're going to go over here because our cousins want to do the big scary blue roller coaster. I think that's a bit above my pay grade, so we're just going to watch. This is a really nice park. I'd definitely come back. Okay, so we're outside the park now at OWA. We're kind of in the area where there's a bunch of stores and restaurants. Probably not going to be able to stay here very long today because we got to get all the way back to New Orleans before it gets dark. Because a good part of the city is still not restored with its electricity yet. We really don't want to drive through the city when it's dark. But yeah, this place looks really nice and clean. Definitely come back. Do a longer stay, maybe. There is a hotel nearby. Alright, folks, it's about 3 o'clock. I think we're going to hit the road because it's going to take about 3.5 hours to get home. We want to try to get home while it's still light outside. What did you think of this park?
It was really nice. I didn't know it had as much as it did. Like, I thought it was just that one blue roller coaster. I would definitely come back here. It was really, really nice.
Yeah, same here.
Good place to be close to New Orleans, too.
Yeah, you can make a day of it.
Yeah.
Reminds me a lot of Universal.
Yes. Especially with, like, the pretzels and the Cinnabon cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll definitely be back.
Bye.
See y'all in the next one.